Watla ka Jingpang Measles kala salat ya kari badon markap bat ka Jylla kata ka Bangladesh Henry Myntri ka tanat ka kwat ka khia ba waila Shilla ulai thu ba Haduh Mynta ka Jylla ka don ha ka jingsngan tang ba uang bakum ka tanat Khilong ki ba Peitngor ban pentikana ba ka Jingpang kanompoi sha ka Jylla.
As you all know that there is a measles outbreak in our border country, Bangladesh, where I think almost more than 100 children have died. But as of now, means like we are in close contact with from the health department, with especially with all the neighboring district which share border with the Bangladesh. So as of now, we have not got any kind of report from there. But we have given clear direction that they will be alert and to report if any incident happen. But as of now, I like to make it sure that no incident reported as till today.